the double slit experiment. This is really cool. It's the universe playing coy. So imagine this. You are in a quiet physics lab. You're actually a physicist. And you have a light source. And you have a wall with these two narrow slits. And behind it, there's this screen. And it records whatever gets through. So you shine a light at the slits. You're expecting two bright lines on the screen, right? You're expecting the light's going to go through and hit that screen. Instead, what you actually end up seeing is a striped pattern of light and dark bands, right? You see what's called a wave interference pattern. Now, waves overlapping, they're canceling each other out, they're reinforcing. It looks like ripples in a pond. It looked like very much like ripples in a pond. Now, easy, great, all right. I thought that light was going to shoot through like particles, but turns out light behaves like a wave. Done, case closed, wrap it up. Until you dim the light, you send the photon through one at a time. Now, in this situation, you'd expect each photon to pick a slit, right? Left or right. But actually, no. Over time, the same interference pattern appears. Each photon seems to interfere with itself, like as if somehow it went through both slits simultaneously. That's actually really what it looked like. So what these physicists did, they added a detector, right? Something to watch which slit it passes through. And then suddenly the interference pattern disappeared. So the moment that you look, the wave collapses into a particle. So actually, the very act of observing the experiment changed the outcome. This blew people's mind. They didn't understand it for decades. See, when unobserved, each photon explores all possible paths. When it's measured, it finally commits to one. This is not psychology. It sounds like it, but it's not. These photons are not sentient. As far as we know, it's actually physics. And it's repeatable with electrons, atoms, even like 60 atom carbon molecules. See, at a quantum scale, matter behaves as probabilities until interaction locks one of those probabilities in. From waves to qubits. This right here, this is the heart of quantum computing.